Hello friends, welcome to PMT2 channel. Friends, in this video we will understand the first quarter Neuro Triple I Enlighten Brain activity. For this activity you will be receiving these three things. One is this box, one this Triple I multifold literature and the detailing story to make you understand that how the activity has to be done. So friends, the activity will start from 1st of May and will end on 9th May 2023. So for this activity, what you need to do is, first, before entering the doctor chamber, you should open this box and check whether the input is working or not. So when you open this box, you will see there will be a black base. There will be an acrylic sheet on which there is a brain model printed and there is branding of the venous products, and you will receive 3 pencil cells. Before entering the doctor chamber, what you need to do is you need to open it from here and place the pencil cell in this. Close it and check by switching on this button whether the light is on or not. Right? After that, open this acrylic sheet and place it on the base here. Right? And check it is working or not. You need to make it understand that you need to take care of one thing while assembling this input, that the brand name should be readable when you see it from the venous emblem side. Right? So now, after entering into the doctor chamber, what you need to do is you should carry this Neuro Triple I multifold literature and start detailing as doctor as you know that in head and spinal cord injury, for initial golden hours Triple I is the major challenge. Doctor, here Triple I means increased ICP, inflammation and infection. And then ask doctor, please switch on this button to overcome the challenge of Triple I. So when doctor will switch on this button, the brain model will be visible and the branding, the solution for this Triple I challenge will be there. And then start detailing. So doctor, to overcome this Triple I challenge, for increased ICP and brain edema, we have Neurotol, a brand of mannitol and glycerol, which is fortified with VRP 011, available in 100 ml infusion. Doctor, for inflammation due to spinal cord injury, we have brand Solucot, a brand of methylprednisolone sodium succinate, water soluble corticosteroid, available in 40 mg, 125 mg, 500 mg and 1 gram. Moreover, doctor, to overcome the challenge of infections, we have range of antibiotics which are fortified with antibiotic resistance breaker. So doctor, for gram-positive infections of central nervous system, we have Vanco Plus Combi, a combi pack of vancomycin and ceftriaxone available in 1:2 ratio, 3 gram and 1.5 gram. Doctor, for MDR gram-negative infections, we have Potentox, a brand of cefepime, and amikacin, which is fortified with L-arginine. Doctor, for ESBL gram-negative pathogens, we have Supine, a brand of cefepime and sulbactam, available in 3 gram and 1.5 gram. And moreover, doctor, for resistant Pseudomonas pathogen, Zydrotum, brand of ceftazidime sulbactam, and for MDR Pseudomonas, Tobracef, a brand of ceftazidime with tobramycin. Moreover, doctor, venous remedies have this world-class infrastructure as it have 5 manufacturing units, corporate office and the R&D centers, and 1 manufacturing unit in Germany as well. So doctor, looking into the benefits of our products for this III challenge, for increased ICP, please recommend our Neuroton. For inflammation, please recommend Solucot, and for infection, we have range of antibiotics. Please choose from it. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.